This one where where they do like this. What's happen now? No touch me.
Oh, but I won't go join court.
You what?
I won't go join court.
You can be prosecuted for that.
See,
wait till you time you say you want to join court.
I sleep, I can't dream. I can't see some boys. All of them carry something like this. They carry out like this. See, they just see the motor, they come, they stop her. They collect the key.
Come on, we worry.
Collect everything. Collect the there's some police run. Now I say, hey.
Where you come see the act? Where you come now see the act?
I go bother for my guy. I do. My guy said,
how many times you get before you know that?
Oh, this guy.
If I join this one, I must cut you. So me, if you know say you jump that you don't give me.
Yes, I know.
Yes, you drink and you don't give me food. That day for my son carry food come. Only you jump and you don't give me jump. Me, I won't join court.
No.
What's that now? I never join court. You tell me.